What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video, and it's actually quite simple, really, because as you know, spring is not that far away, and we're experiencing an early spring out here in Alaska. And so today's cooking video, I'm going to show you how to make lemonade from scratch. So let's go over what we need. Now, lemonade is actually quite simple to make. All you need is some sugar, some water, and any form of or lemon juice. Or you can use actual lemons and squeeze it from scratch. This is a little crude what I'm doing, using lemon juice and not cutting up and extracting the juice itself, but, well, it just consolidates time, you know, if you just use lemon juice and not actual lemons. But anyway, let's go over what we need to do. So first things first, you're going to add 4 cups of water to a pitcher. Two cups. Next, you're going to add both of your bottles of lemon juice to the mix. Alright, that's one bottle. Now, here's the second bottle. Whew! I can smell it. Those lemons. Whew! And then last but not least, you're going to add 1 3/4 cups of sugar to the mix. 1/4, half, third, 3/4, a whole. 1 1/4, 1 1/2, and 1 3/4. Now you're going to give this a little stir till everything's adequately blended. Now the lemonade I just mixed up is not quite cool enough, so you're also going to need to add some ice, and you're going to let it chill in the fridge until it has been chilled adequately. So it's going in the fridge. All right, so I gave the lemonade some time to chill, so let's pour some into a cup, and I'm going to sample it. This tastes really good. This is some great tasting lemonade. So that's essentially how you make lemonade. Thanks for tuning in, and please quit smoking if you do so, and say no to tobacco and all that stuff, and I'll see you next time.